Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, Drawing with Michael, Michael Clarida Arts. Today I'm just doing a quick video about a drawing I did in Procreate. As you see, I started out with a drawing already because my initial concept didn't happen in Procreate. I actually did it on one of my Windows devices and exported it via Dropbox and imported it into Procreate because I just wanted to work a little bit faster. This is part of a character series for sort of a country western type deal with animals that I've been developing for a while, and this is just one of the fun characters. I haven't really landed on a style yet for them. I'm just trying to determine what the best natural way that I draw is, and things tend to come out looking like this whenever I don't have reference, and I just sit down and I start drawing, fun cartoony characters. So anyway, that's all I wanted to show you guys today, and I'm going to be trying to post more videos for you guys during the week, and hopefully you guys will like and subscribe and share, and we'll see you soon. Thanks guys, bye.